Hello, my name is Carly Zanotto. I will be discussing sensitivity analysis for capital budgeting for course BUSN604. First, we need to talk about financial management. What are the goals of it? According to Paramasman and Kupramanian, the two main goals of financial management are profit maximization and wealth maximization. The primary goal of most companies is to maximize profits. Profit maximization ensures the company is operating efficiently to increase profit and reduce risk for shareholders. Wealth maximization, or value maximization, focuses on increasing the overall value of the company. The focus is again on value for shareholders. The shareholders' best interest is the common theme between these two goals. Financial management should be taken seriously for a company to succeed. There are many functions of financial management. Paramaskin and Kupramanian identify these items as important functions of financial management. Financial planning. This helps with determining company goals and concerns. Acquisition of funds refers to the ability to acquire the necessary sources of funding and choose the best option for the company. Proper use of funds is vital to operational efficiency and allows for a reduction in cost of capital while the company's value can increase. Financial decisions will affect business outcomes, so it is important that decisions are managed carefully. Improved profitability and increase the value of the firm are directly related to the goals of financial management that we discussed. Lastly, promoting savings can only be achieved when earning higher profitability and maximizing wealth. Financial management is crucial to business success and important to consider when reviewing financial decisions. Next, we will discuss sensitivity analysis. Quote, that analysis shows you the magnitude of changes in outcomes, such as profitability, in response to changes in the input assumptions, end quote, Carlberg. A sensitivity analysis helps decide what is critical to avoid wasted time. It shows changes based on inputs. Now let's discuss further the qualitative and quantitative steps of sensitivity analysis. Sensitivity analysis starts with qualitative steps. According to Brown, 2026, the first steps are to define the objective and then select key variables. These steps give us the direction that we are headed to ensure the analysis provides the information necessary. Next, we have our quantitative steps. Brown again starts with set base case. This means establishing the baseline values needed for your objective. Then, change one variable at a time. This ensures that you are viewing the correct output. Measure the impact is the key part of sensitivity analysis. This is the data we are looking for in the analysis. Last, rank the drivers. This step is where you identify the inputs that made the greatest impact. These steps of sensitivity analysis allow for informed decision making. Now we will cover the internal and external financial methods used to determine a project's risk integrated into a capital budgeting analysis, starting with an internal method. Net present value looks at whether a project will return more than its cost of capital. Next, we have payback period is the time it will take to regain the initial cost of the project, while discounted payback period is the time needed to regain the initial cost of the project after paying the firm's investors. Sensitivity analysis, which we already discussed, is also an internal method to determine project risk. More specifically, scenario management can help with sensitivity analysis. This is by ensuring individual variables are examined. Now we will view external methods for evaluating project risk. These methods look to factors outside of the company. First, we have Capital Asset Pricing Model, CAPM. This focuses on systemic risk over individual risk. Carlberg states the CAPM is a financial theory based on the idea that investors who are willing to hold stocks that have higher systemic risk should be rewarded more than taking on this market risk. Next, we have sensitivity analysis again. This can be used for external analysis because we can view things like interest rates that are dictated by entities outside of the company. Today we covered financial management goals and functions, sensitivity analysis, and internal and external methods for determining risks. I hope you all took something away from today's training. Thank you.